Hello friends, I am Dr. Sadeep. In my channel, I will be uploading videos concerning practical applications of homeopathy. How to practice homeopathy in a classical way. So in this series, I have already done so many videos about these subjects. Friends, if you are interested, please like, share and subscribe our channel and visit our channel page and see those videos, friends. So today's subject is matriea medica. So in this matriea medica, I am going to talk about this nux vomica. So nux vomica is one of the very important medicine as you come across, and the nux vomica has been used by all the homeopathic physicians, right, left and center. So what are the criteria, what are the characteristics of nux vomica which will indicate this medicine, and how to recognize this nux vomica mind state? Physical symptoms and spiritual aspect of nux vomica. So first of all, what is the situation created by a human being is one of the important thing for this nux vomica remedy. So this nux vomica remedy situational things are very different. So that is to say, he is a person wherein he will never keep quiet. He will be doing one or the other things. He will be very busy. He is a very intelligent person, very jealous person, very jealous person. He is very competitive. He is very sharp-minded. He has abundant of energy. He wants to be successful in the life. So this mind state of this nux vomica drags him towards the physical symptoms as we find in our matriea medica. So whatever we have inside, whatever we perceive, whatever the energies revolving in and around our body will be the main cause to have a disease. So this nux vomica situation is, he is a big businessman. He wants to establish himself and he wants to sustain his business in the same level whatever he is carrying on. So he will be struggling a lot. He will be working very hard. He will be moving all the times. He will be calculating. He will be imaginating. He will be finding out solutions for the problems which will come tomorrow or day after. So like this quality, like this characteristic feature will be seen in nux vomica patients. Due to his insecure feeling, he has a delusion that he will become poor. This is one of the important psychological fact about nux vomica. Due to that reason, he will be struggling, and he will be straining his mind, body and spirit to the ultimate extent. And he craves much of the stimulants simply because to achieve his goals, he must work very hard. If a person is capable of doing any work in 10 minutes, he will be doing it in 5 minutes. Simply because of his high energy and his high intelligent brain. And he will be requiring spirits, he will be requiring stimulants to achieve his goals. So as you see in our matriea medica, nux vomica patient is a total aggregation of sedentary life habits. So this sedentary life habits come into his life simply because he is competitive, he is jealous, and he wants to achieve in his all the aspects of his life. So this is one of the important psychological or mind state symptom of nux vomica patients. So nux vomica patients are very much irritable, very much impatient, very much restless. So this is not restless of arsenical or restox or aconite. No, it is not like that. They are working towards a goal. Due to that reason, they will be restless. The restless in their own work shifts, restless in their own targets and goals. So, this is about the total mindset of this Vomica patient. Vomica patient has also a delusion that somebody has sold his bed out. That is, whenever he gets strain of mind, body and spirit, he wants to take rest. Unfortunately, because of his so much of irritability, so much of impatience, so much of restlessness, he has a delusion that his bed has been sold by somebody and he will not get the bed to sleep. So much of insecurity is in Vomica patients. So, this is one of the important feature in mind state of a Vomica patient. So, Vomica patient, if you come to the miasmatic aspect, he is very hopeful. He is soric originated, soric background miasm will be there, and psychotic is also influencing in this Vomica patients. But dominating miasm is Sora. So, he will be hopeful in his total life. He will be positive, optimistic. He will be positive oriented, optimistic. He will not take any negative feelings or negative aspects of total life. So, this is about the total mindset of Vomica patients. So, when I told about this Vomica mindset, what this mindset produces an effect on the body systems, body organs and body tissues and body cells. So this becomes a very important thing. Whenever you have a mind state of such things, there is a possibility of affecting the organs, tissues and the cells. So how this manifests in the tissue level, organ level and cellular level. So same stress, same impatience, same irritability will be revealed in the body structure also. So due to the increased stress, due to the total maniac of the work, the organ, tissue and cell become exhausted. They become paralyzed. They become totally inactive. Due to that reason, total body system is failing. In Sora, the functional disorders is taken under Sora. So, these functional disorders all over the body systems occur in Vomica. So, there will be no appetite, there will be no thirst, there will be no bowel movements, very much irritability will be there. On the body structure, you can see that he has exhausted himself totally. Vomica patient, to hide his exhaustion, to hide his total energy or energy loss, he will take much of the spirits, much of the stimulants to keep his energy level very high. So, if you see a Vomica patient, so he will be always drinking tea, coffee, spirit once in an hour, once in 2 hours. So, it will be a normal routine of the Vomica patient to have stimulants regularly. Due to that reason, he can maintain the energy level high so that he can perform in his life events. So, this is one of the important feature of Vomica. So, mind state I have explained and body structure I explained. That is to say, body structure is failing in its functional organ and functional level, and to keep up the high energy he will be using these stimulants I told you. And this is one of the sedentary lifestyle he has created for himself to achieve his goals. He will be very restless to achieve his goals. And Vomica patient is one of the very much highly intelligent person. And you don't think that it is not used in less intelligent person or what to say, like mediocre, right? No, it is not like that. If the symptom matches, if the situation matches, if the totality comes, if the miasmatic background is there, Vomica can be indicated in idiot also. This is there because homeopathy is all about the totality of the symptom and similarly what the patient is crying for or the patient is requiring. So I am explaining a very ideal structure of Vomica. So this ideal structure of Vomica may not be in all the patients, because whatever we get in the proving are the total 100% revelation of Vomica. And this 100% is not always present in all the patients we come across. Due to that reason, we always do the totality of the symptoms. Due to that reason, we always do the miasmatic totality or the miasmatic dominating miasm we will be doing. So this Vomica at its pinnacle or at its ideal structure, what it is visible, I am just making you aware of this, friends. So I told about mind structure, mind setup, body, what is the body organs and body tissues and cells will have the symptoms. And coming to the spiritual aspect, that is to say vital force, how the vital force is that vital force is very, very strong in Vomica patients simply because he is an inborn jealous person. That is to say, he has to achieve his highest goals possible. And if you come across any rubric in your matriea medica or in your repertory, that ambition, failure of ambition, he is failed in his many of his ambitions. Due to that reason, he will be creating a situation around wherein he will be trying hard to achieve those heights in his business or in his total life. Loss of ambition is one of the important rubric what you can find, and Vomica is a very indicated medicine for that, friends. So this is about spiritual aspect. If you come across, he will be not much spiritually intended, like he is not a worshipper of a god, or he will be not having any fixed idea to do the pujas and anything like that. He will be very open-minded. He will be very sensitive. He will be very what to say, like he will be more scientific oriented, and he will be open-minded fellow. So due to that reason, he will not do any superstitious things in his life, and he will be more what to say, like more practically orient about this life events and life achievements. Due to that reason, he will be not doing all the superstitious things in his life. So about the mind status, body status and spiritual status, I already talked so many things about this Vomica. If I left anything, if you just remind me in my comment section, friends, I will be talking about this Vomica again if it is possible. So this is all today, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. This is all today. Thank you and take care.